Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marygrace. Today I'm going to make blondies. Blondies are like brownies, but they're white in color. Of course, they are keto. They also are my all-time favorite dessert at the moment. I use a food processor to mix my ingredients because I just find it's easier. I'm going to start with a cup of melted butter. Butter is Kerrygold from Ireland. I don't like the way we treat our cows here, so I don't eat any dairy from here. I try to eat everything that's been imported. Next, we're going to add 4 eggs. Of course, these are organic, pasture-raised eggs, not eggs that are from chickens that have been stuck in cages for their whole life. And to that, I will add a teaspoon of vanilla. This is from Mexico. A friend of mine gave it to me. And my secret ingredient is a teaspoon of a super strength butterscotch flavor. This is really strong. It's made by Lauren Oils, and it's got a really intense butterscotch flavor. She has all different flavors. This one is the butterscotch, and it tastes particularly good in these blondies. So into my food processor, I will put 1 teaspoon. I will mix all of the wet ingredients. Next, I will add a cup of Swerve. Next, I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 2 cups of almond flour. And that's it. These are really easy. My oven is preheating at 350 degrees. And I will be using a silicone mold to bake these in. I will scrape the sides now. Next, I will add 1 bag of Choc Zero white chocolate chips, sugar-free. And I'll just pulse this in here. Here's my silicone mold. And I'm going to take some cooking spray and spray it because these are very sticky. Into the mold I go with my mixture. Spread it out. Let's see this. Take 1/3 cup more of these white chocolate chips and put them on the top. Just sprinkling them on top. Actually, it's 2/3 cup. Forgot I doubled the recipe. So basically a whole nother package. This is how it looks, and I'll put it in the 350 degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. Here they are. This is how they look when they first come out of the oven. I let them cool off, and then, oh my God, that's my cat. And then I put them in the fridge, and then I cut them. I hope this video inspires you to make these wonderful blondies at home. They are excellent, very sweet when you need that little treat at the end of the day. I actually have mine for breakfast. May the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guides your way on. Namaste.